Have you ever pondered the fusion of kayaking's tranquility with the expressive art of painting? Quite an unusual mix, right? But the answer is found in the creative mind of one extraordinary woman, Dr. Elizabeth Hodge. A respected figure in education, she craved the serenity of landscapes only a kayak trip could offer, and wanted to capture them on canvas. But traditional easels proved impractical on a kayak until Dr. Hodge saw this as an opportunity for innovation. She created a portable easel, not just any easel, but one adaptable to any surface. This opened up possibilities for artists to venture out into the water and capture breathtaking scenes. Dr. Hodge's invention solved her personal dilemma and unveiled a new perspective on ecotourism, providing a unique way for enthusiasts to engage with nature. The problem? Traditional easels on a kayak. The solution? Dr. Hodge's innovative portable easel. Her journey from predicament to solution is a testament to human creativity and innovative power. It's a reminder that even the most unusual combinations can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Dr. Elizabeth Hodge, an inspiration for all those who dare to think outside the box and seek beauty in unexplored territories.